Back to the local market, which was again under pressure. Earlier, I spoke to Charlie Aitken from Bell Potter. Charlie Aitken, a new week, same Europe. How has all the uncertainty impacted on the local market today?
I suppose, Ticky, the only certainty is uncertainty. That's what we've got to at the moment, isn't it? But look, I think it was quite a good effort from the Australian market today, only losing 7 points with Westpac ex-dividend and Macquarie ex-dividend. Really, that consolidated Friday's huge gains pretty well. But again, the market was leaderless. It was looking for a lead. It didn't get one from Europe. It'll get one tonight. So, look, I'd just put it down as a day of consolidation.
What about trading volumes?
Trading volumes are very bad, and that is interesting. They're down to about $3.5 billion today. An average day this year in Australian equities has been $5 or $6 billion. So
nobody wants to play?
No one wants to play. And look, you can understand that. Look, and the market needs to break one way or the other. I think it's going to break positively, but I've said that before and we're still waiting for that. But the volumes are very low, but everyone waiting for a solution, a genuine solution in Europe. So we'll see what comes.
All right. Well, to stocks and a breakthrough for Australia's Computershare as it looks to pick up the registry business of the Bank of New York Mellon Corporation. Investors have been quite impressed. Yeah,
that was out of left field because most people believe that this Bank of New York Mellon deal for Computershare would be blocked by US antitrust regulators. It wasn't. It was allowed through. And you can see the share price response is quite spectacular, up 16% today. Analysts putting through upgrades because there's quite good synergies in this deal and really potentially a company maker for Computershare here at the bottom of the equity market activity cycle. So really the star of the show there today.
Yeah, that is a good story. Still with M&A, and Beach Energy has launched a full tilt at Adelaide Energy. Does that make good sense to you?
Yeah, it's interesting. Continues the trend of merger Monday. It seems that these lawyers and investment bankers all work over the weekend, ticking, then come up with a deal on Monday. Look, it does make sense, I think. Beach owns around 19% of Adelaide Energy. They're trying to mop up the balance. The offer price is 40-odd% above the last trade. The stock traded to the last trade today. But as usual, the target company said to its shareholders to take no action while they assess the bid. I think this is one that will probably go through. It does seem to make sense.
On the other hand, KFC and Sizzler restaurant operator Collins Foods has come further off the boil, one could say.
Off the boil and shareholders are being fried. We could come up with a lot of ones about that one, Ticky. But this is actually a disgrace. Let's cut to the chase. Now, this is a company that was floated 3 months ago at $2.50. Initial trade was $2.05. Came out with a profit warning last week and traded down to $1.14 today. It is almost incomprehensible that a company can float and 3 months later be trading 54% lower. So I don't think we've heard the last of this debacle, that's for sure.
Charlie Aitken, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks, Ticky.